Hi everyone, I'm Katie, a Montessori infant toddler teacher and registered early childhood educator. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite Montessori materials for 3-year-olds. Montessori materials are hands-on educational materials with a specific purpose, designed to meet the needs of a child at each developmental stage. So the first material that I'm going to talk to you about today is the stereognostic bag, also known as a mystery bag. And the purpose of the mystery bag is to enrich vocabulary while also developing the stereognostic sense. So the stereognostic sense is the ability to recognize an object using only tactile feedback. There's no visual or auditory clues that are telling you what the object is. You are identifying it purely with your hands. So we would open up the bag, and inside there are familiar objects. You want to ensure that the child already is familiar with these objects and knows what the names are. So then they feel around in the bag. Oh, this feels like a dish brush. And there it is. It's a dish brush. And so they would continue with all the other objects. It has a handle. It's a masher. And then this is metal. Oh, it's an interesting shape. I think it's a whisk. It's a whisk. And so on. Oh, this feels like a measuring spoon. There it is. And then last but not least, oh, this is made of wood. It's a wooden spoon. So you can put anything inside these bags. Just about anything. You can put in toys, you can put in kitchen tools, you can put in items from the bathroom, you can put in anything. And the child can explore them with their hand and learn to identify them just with their sense of touch. So really great for enriching vocabulary and engaging the senses. So the next Montessori material I'm going to talk about for 3-year-olds is plant care. So providing the child with a child-sized watering can so that they can take care of the indoor plants in their environment and maybe even outside too. So plant care is really great for developing fine motor skills, concentration, focus, independence. It also teaches the children to take care of their environment. So a nice small watering can like this, showing the child how to water the plants, watching it go from dry to wet. We have a plant care set here at the Montessori room where you would get this tray, this child-sized watering can, as well as this small sponge, because in Montessori we don't just water the plants, we also dust and wash the leaves. So we would dampen this sponge a little bit and we would wash the leaves and clean them so that they can get all that air and grow and flourish. And then finally, these are what we call in Montessori folding cloths. And you can see that there is a line on this cloth to show the child where to fold it. So we have a set of folding cloths here that are great for developing and refining fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination. So you can see the child gradually learns to fold the cloths in all these different ways, finally getting to the one that doesn't have any sort of guides on it, so that they can just simply fold it as we would fold our napkins or maybe fold our hand towels after they come out of the dryer. So this is a really helpful practical skill to teach your children so that they can help and learn to fold some of the things that you have around the house that are similar. All right, so I should add that there are many more Montessori materials for 3-year-olds that you would find in a CASA classroom. If you do choose to bring some of those materials into your home, I really recommend looking up the purpose of these materials, seeing what the preliminary exercises are, and learn how to present these materials in the way that the teachers would be presenting them in school. Because it's more than just the materials. The presentation is equally as important to setting the child up for success so that they can really understand the purpose of the activity. So I encourage you to look up some of the materials if you're choosing to bring Montessori into your home, maybe in a homeschooling situation for children 3 and up. But with all this being said, there is so much more to Montessori than just the materials. So if you're interested in learning how to develop the Montessori mindset, or perhaps you want to bring Montessori into your home with some simple activities, I encourage you to check out our at-home program. There will be a link to join in the description below. I hope you found today's video interesting, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, it really helps our channel if you like and subscribe. This helps other parents to find our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to comment your question below and we'll answer it in a future video. Take care. Bye!